Okay, so quick tip on the garlic press. So this is the garlic press, and it has a little Barbie brush tool for cleaning in the handle here, and it stores right here in the handle like this. The garlic press is dishwasher safe and it's easy to clean. So this is the way it works. You pull your clove off of your bulb of garlic, drop it down in here, and then you're gonna press, okay? So you get your nice bunch of garlic here. You're gonna take the tool and scrape off the bottom. That's how you get that off. Then when you wanna get the garlic clove out, you just open it up and, well, we got a little bit lucky on that, but there's still some garlic in there. So we'll take the tool, we'll press up from this side so it fits in there. We press up, that loosens everything, and then we scrape everything out. Boom, it's done. I throw it in my dishwasher upside down like this on the top rack. All right, so I'll do that again to show you. Take your clove, drop it in here. I drop it in like this. Drop it in here, press, you get your meat out, scrape it off. Okay, this one time it stayed in, the peel stayed in there, so we're gonna take the cleaning tool and put it on the bottom. I need to look, make sure, there we go. Line that up, that's gonna press everything out of the holes and everything comes out. You can just use this to scrape it out. All right, hope that helps.